Hey guys, what's up? Joe, good morning. No coffee this time. The time change that supposedly they were gonna stop doing happened and it fucked up my routine, so I skipped out on my coffee. Also, my dog's in the background. You don't see her, but if she pops out, then you know why. Yeah, just get out of the way. Considering how things are going right now in America, if you're the type of person you're watching my content and you have some type of negative opinions towards the gay community, then yeah, definitely not the channel for you. So please go away. So from where I live, there's like an area called Santa Ana, right? And they basically really updated that whole environment. Like the city, they wanted to modernize the environment, so they pretty much remodeled it into like a more of a current, trendy type of like environment. You know, they wanted to get a younger crowd, this for sure, and they did it. So whatever, that's how it is. But the thing is, one of the businesses that has stayed there for like a long time since I know of, since day one, it's called the Frida Cinema. And this is actually an independently run theater, which actually still uses like 6mm, the 6mm film, right? Or 60mm. I don't know, I'll correct myself here but yeah, they actually use the old reels of film, and they can still see like the projections and all the shit, like the old school like seats and all that. It's actually a cool place. Unfortunately, I didn't really get much footage of like the theater itself. Being in a theater, I didn't feel too comfortable just flipping down my phone and filming too much, because like my fucking screen is too bright and like I don't want to bug the people behind me, right? So I couldn't get much footage of what was going on, right? But I try to add what I can. I like to assume that pretty much the Rocky Horror Picture Show has like a cult following just about everywhere in America, right? And something that this place does once a month is they have a Rocky Horror Picture Show night. It's literally a shadow acting, I think that's what they call a shadow play. So while the movie is playing in the background, they actually have the actors acting out in the foreground, right? It's also very interactive. A lot of people go there often, to that showing of the Rocky Horror Picture Show. So people are dressed up and they all get involved with like the show and stuff like that. I mean, if you didn't notice, obviously the show has a lot of transsexuals and homosexuality aspects to it and all that crap, right? So I know it sounds stupid, but I was like, oh, a lot of gay people here. I mean, I was expecting that, but I was like, all right, cool. Like I said, I've never been to this before, so it was interesting. It was cool, being around that environment and shit, so I don't care. I know, crazy concept. I actually let people live their life without me interfering or giving them shit or attacking them, and everybody's happy. It's kind of a strange concept, right? Yeah, money your own business. It's like hard for some people for some reason. And no, there's no children there that got hurt. Fuck you. For Ritual, who has not seen the show to begin with, and then pretty much they have a process called divergenizing, right? So since I'm not drinking alcohol, I figured I'd do stupid shit sober that I know I would have done when I'm drunk. So I was like, all right, get divergenized. It's not that big of a deal. I thought like they were gonna. I don't know. Obviously, my mind went worse. I don't know what the fuck was gonna happen, but yeah, I don't know. They just get you up there and they're just playing along, acting stupid and stuff. They just made you grab your dick and moan.
Now I need everyone to take their favorite hand that they masturbate with. And now I need everyone to slowly and sensually place those hands on your favorite erogenous zone. And now I need everyone to do their best and greatest and sexiest moan on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, you all have been fucked by over 200 people.
Yeah, after that, basically, the movie started and it was fun. Like, I actually liked it. And it was fucking loud because, everybody, was there. They're all, basically singing along to, the musicals or the certain cues that people, develop. When something happens in the movie, people do certain things or they yell out certain things. I don't know. It was definitely an interactive movie. I'll share some footage of people screaming so you can hear what's going on. But yeah, it was fucking loud for the whole fucking movie. Before the movie theater, we actually went to a place called Wurshaus. It's a German sausage style influenced place. They sell a lot of German beer and shit like that. Now I have drank there before, and they do have a good selection of beer, right? Strong fucking shit, but yeah, I'm not drinking anymore at the moment. They got like fancy shit, you know, like the rabbit and rattlesnake and, you know, duck and deer and venison and all kinds of cool stuff. Like, it's actually good. It's a really good place. And also, like, the prices are very affordable, right? So me and my girlfriend, we like shared like a pretzel with cheese sauce and like french fries with a sausage for like $25. I don't know. I thought it was pretty fair. Yeah, I didn't get any footage of that, right? So I had images off the internet to show you what I'm talking about, but it was pretty good. Rocky Horror Picture Show. I'm 40 years old. I've been hearing about this thing. I mean, not the movie, but like the whole like movie experience since I can remember actually, and like people talk about it and like so on and so forth. And yeah, it actually was a lot of fun. They do this a lot once a month. It's a theater group called Chaos. You know, I looked them up. They try to play the movie like once a month, from my understanding, right? And like yeah, they were asking for donations afterwards, so I just gave them a 20 as a thanks for doing a kick-ass job. That was fun. They're also like accepting Venmo and shit like that, so pretty sure they got a good amount of tips that night. That was fun. But anyways, that's all I have to say. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I definitely wouldn't mind doing that again, so yeah. Rocky Horror Picture Show. Yeah, check it out. No, nobody there fucking harassed me, or no kids were being molested, or none of that shit. They just had fun and mind their own business. I wish other people would do the same. Alright, talk to you guys later. Peace.